Hi everyone, I recently went to Amazon Fresh store, which is the first one in the UK. It's located in Ealing, which is West London. There's instructions as you come in, so you need the Amazon app. In the Amazon app, I'll show you shortly, you have to go to the basket and then there's the fresh code section where when you click in you get a QR code which you basically just scan in using the machines and the doors open for you. And as you come in you see a lot of cameras in each aisle. Everything which a grocery shop would have, including fresh food, bakery, ready meals, drinks and your usual groceries. So the price seems fairly decent as well. They have these green bags. These ones are £1. I just wanted to get one. But they also have the brown bags which are free, which are paper bags. So you just put them in as you're going, there's no baskets. As you can see, you can pick up each item and just put it into your bag as you would. And the idea is that the camera and sensors will detect the item chosen and therefore charge it automatically to your Amazon account, which I will show in a bit. Products are Amazon branded, so the cakes in this clip are actually by Amazon. We also have a meal deal section with a large variety of items, good price, and all the items look very appetizing. They have a hot drink section which is priced at £2.30 for all drinks. You can get coffee, you can get hot chocolate, up to you. Once you're done, you just simply walk out and it's a cashierless experience, which means you don't have to queue up and you get charged automatically to your Amazon account. Once you go onto your Amazon account and go on order summary, you'll be able to see all the items that you purchased, your trip time and everything else. You'll also be able to request a refund should you have an issue such as getting charged for the wrong item. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.